Alright guys, I'm gonna just quickly open this box of, I just got this. This is June the 22nd of 2021, and I just found these boxes. What is that? Oh, Major League Baseball. Okay, but this is June the 22nd. And I just bought a bunch of these at Walmart. They came out, I guess, in a day or two ago. And I'm going to open one box up right now and see what we got and download this and show you guys what's in here. Okay. Here's what's in it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's 14, so that would be 80 or 90 cards. I don't know how to set my phone up because I don't know where my tripod is. I wish I need to look for it, but the hell with it. I'm just going to set it right here. And I'm going to open this first box here. And let's see what we've got. We've got a Texas guy. We've got is that a future star? I don't know if that's a rookie card. Got some of the what's this guy? That's a Tom Hatch rookie card. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I don't know if he's a good player or not. We've got Juan Soto. Not bad. Nice rookie card. Where's he at? Rookie card. Okay. Just going to do this real quick here and see what we got. Pack 2. And opening. Oof, I don't know how to open these except for like this. And let's see if we can find a Polanco. Christian Patch. I don't know who this guy is, but and there's nothing real special in that pack there. That looks like a thick one. There's something in there. And here we go with another one. Wish I could find my wish I could find my tripod. And there's nothing real in here. Ken Griffey Jr. card. He's been retired for a long time. And that's that. Well, I should have just saved these cards. I'm instantly regretting this. There's another one. So here's 2. Let's tear into this one. Ooh, yeah. I don't know if there's signatures in this. Boop. I don't know who this guy is, but Altuve, one of the most hated players today. I don't know anything special. If you guys anything, I don't know, anything special about this one's a pretty thick one. Maybe we'll have something good in this pack. Man, I need to find my damn tripod. I don't see nothing in there. There's a Future Star. Maybe he might be, or what is that? Who is that? Randy Arozarena? Future Star. I don't know. Ooh, maybe this one's a nice one. I don't know, you guys. See, Fernando Tatis Jr. I don't know what kind of card this is. This is a Topps Chrome. Okay, that's a Topps Chrome. I think the last box I opened didn't have a Topps Chrome in it. So I guess that's a good card. Seeing a lot of repeats in here. Oh, man, I shouldn't be doing this in my dirty garage, but it's the only place that I've got. Man, there's a lot of cards here, man. And they throwing a lot of cards. Look, I go look at all them cards, and I ain't even done. Almost done. I'm gonna do this pretty quick. Here's the second to last. The last one's a thick card. But here's this one. Just gonna do this real quick because you know a lot of there's that one. I'm not gonna bore you with everything else. Is Mike Trout. Vintage card. Nothing real special in that pack. That sucks. But I've got a chrome. I wonder if this is there again. I didn't get no Topps chromes in the last pack. Now this is a thick one. There's a what does the box say? Look for exclusive royal blue base card, parallel cards. What does somebody tell me what a parallel card is? I'm just getting back into this, and I don't really know. Here's the last pack. I'm going to open it up and see. Here's the it's the Topps commemorative. Ozzie Smith. It's a good card, I guess. Nice. I've opened up a couple of them. I like that Fernando Tatis, though. That's nice. I wonder if that's like anything great. Nope, nothing special. Nothing special. So out of that, I've got... This is what I got in this one. A Topps Chrome and a Ozzie Smith. And I don't know what kind of 70th anniversary logo patch. Didn't get anything signed. I don't know if it's supposed to be signed. But there's a nice Topps Chrome. I don't think I got any kind of Topps Chrome. And it's like a Chrome old one. 65. Fernando led the 2020 Padres with 2 and 15 attempts. I don't know, but look at that card. That's a pretty nice card there. Okay, I guess that's about it for look for a chance to win. Look for a chance to win what? No person necessary. See, sign for detail. Wait, what is it? Look for a chance to win what? 7, 14 card packs plus 1 top center patch. 99 total cards. So Parallel gold. I don't know what all that stuff is. Rainbow foil. 1 in 10. Royal blue. 1 in 4. Green foil board. Orange foil board. What does that mean? And 1 in vintage stock. I don't know what the vintage stock means, but yeah. Chrome black. Wait. Chrome 1 in 10? What is that? What is that? Chrome superfractor? Is that a superfractor? So is that a good one? Well, I appreciate you guys, but maybe that's a good card, a superfractor. But I appreciate it, and you guys have a good day.